Good afternoon friends. Today we will be discussing about high forehead in females. So this is quite a common problem that we encounter, and we have Jenny with us. She also has a similar problem. I just want to explain you what kind of patient comes with high forehead problem and how can it be transformed by a simple procedure, that's hair transplantation. So as you can see, this is the profile of the face. If you divide the face into three halves, this is the lower half, this is the middle, and this is the upper part. So this all should be symmetrical or similar. The three halves should be equal, but as you can see, if you draw the measurements, this is all falling in 6, but this is almost going to be 8 to 9 centimeter. So if you see distance from the base of the nose to the chin, from the base of the nose to the glabella, from here to the hairline is almost higher by around 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Now we can also see a little bit of thinning happening in the mid part of the forehead. So what we have to do, we have to not only lower the hairline. So first we draw the midline, okay. Then we draw the hairline that we are planning to do, which should be slightly, not exactly at the same location, it should be little higher. So we will just place it maybe around 6.5. Then this is the hairline that we have given. If she wants a peak, then we will give a little peak. If she does not want, then we will just round it off. Now this all area will be transplanted with hair. So once this area is transplanted with a thinning part, that is you can see out here, this also will be corrected and she will have very nice looking hairline, which will fall a little bit by maybe half a centimeter. So our proposed 6.5, actually once the hair grows, it will fall down by at least half a centimeter. So the face will look quite fuller. In terms of the forehead will not be highlighted, it will be in proportion to the rest of the face. So this is a very nice procedure in such kind of high forehead where the hairline is receded or naturally they are born with a high hairline. If you can lower it down, the beauty of the face is enhanced and you get a more nice balanced out face. So that was the whole purpose of this video. We wanted to share with you how group of patient comes, they are not, the hair has receded, they are born with high forehead hairline, and therefore the lowering of the hairline does wonders to the beauty of the face. Thank you so much.